The fifth session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly began today with Governor Anusuya Uike addressing the House in Manipuri language, followed by the motion of thanks to the governor's address. The governor highlighted key priorities and initiatives of the government. She asserted that the state security forces, 198 Central Force companies and 140 columns of Assam Rifles have been deployed for assisting in area domination, sanitization and maintenance of law and order situation in the state. She said that the government has been working tirelessly under challenging circumstances to address various complex issues related to the present law and order situation in the state. She further said that a 6-membered crisis committee management has been formed to assess the prevailing tense situation in the fringe areas. Uike also said that the committee to audit the arms and ammunition snatched by miscreants and recovery of the same was also constituted. She lamented that around 219 individuals have lost their lives in the prevailing conflict, adding that the ex-gratia of 10 lakh rupees each have been disbursed to the affected families. She further said that the government has also provided one-time assistance of 1,000 rupees to the displaced persons at the relief camps to cater their needs. This is the first assembly session for 2024 since the violence broke out in the state on May 3. The 10 Kuki-Zo legislators were not present at the assembly session. The session is scheduled to be held till March 5. Comprehensive array of legislative and financial matters crucial to the state are likely to be discussed during the session. Obituary reference was also paid to 12 MLAs and civilians and personnel killed in the ongoing violence. Further, Chief Minister N. Biren tabled the 6th report of the Business Advisory Committee 2024. He also presented supplementary demands for grants for the year 2023 to 2024. The Chief Minister also tabled the budget estimate for the year 2024 to 2025 and moved the motion for vote on accounts.
मेरी सरकार ने सुरक्षा सलाहकार, नए मुख्य सचिव और डीजीपी की नियुक्ति की। हिंसा से प्रभावित विभिन्न स्थलों का दौरा करने और जनता को होने वाली कठिनाइयों को कम करने के लिए उठाए गए कदमों का आकलन करने के लिए विधानसभा के 6 सदस्यों वाली एक संकट प्रबंधन समिति का गठन किया गया था। राज्य में प्रभुत्व, स्वच्छता और कानून व्यवस्था की स्थिति को बनाए रखने में सहायता के लिए राज्य सुरक्षा बलों, केंद्रीय सशस्त्र पुलिस बल की 198 कंपनियां और सेना की 140 कॉलम को तैयार किया गया। स्थिर और मोबाइल गश्त के माध्यम से संवेदनशील गांवों के किनारों में राज्य और केंद्रीय बलों को संयुक्त रूप से तैनात किया गया।